Hello, Monique Daniels here. Today we are going to talk about how to get rid of chapped lips. Now, if you are having problems with dry, chapped lips, I have something for you. Okay, so we at Jazz's Beauty Bar, we have this awesomeness right here. It is our lip gloss line that comes with multiple colors and different kinds, but the main thing with it is that it is very moisturizing. Okay, now this is the silver one. I'm gonna actually demonstrate this one for you. So as you can see, this is very light. It's a very light sheen to it. It's not heavy, it's not overpowering. It does have silver glitter in it, but it's very subtle. So you could put a coat, you could put two coats if you like. It's all according to your own personal preference, and it's very moisturizing. And the reason I say that is because I specifically formulated, the lip gloss to be very moisturizing and to help with chapped lips, because that was something that I was having a lot of issues with. So, I mean, I spent a lot of money over the past few years buying different types of chapsticks, lip glosses, moisturizers, and I just couldn't find anything that would, actually work well for myself. So I said, you know what? I saw people making like different types of lip glosses online, and I said, shoot, I could do that because I already know how to make different skin and hair care products and all that type of stuff. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna formulate and create my own very effective moisturizing lip gloss, because it didn't matter if I spent a little money or a lot of money on something for my lips. It just wouldn't work the way I needed it to. Either I had to keep applying it because it was watered down, or it was just too thick or kind of drying and it was supposed to be moisturizing. So I just was having mad problems with that. So that's why I created, stuff like this. Yes, this awesomeness. So this is the silver one, and it's very moisturizing, and this is great for the winter time, especially coming up, where the air just makes our lips even more dry. So that's one of them. We have pink. Let's see if you can see that there. That's another color. We have a red, and they don't leave like a dark, deep color. It's just a clear gloss. Just a clear gloss with a hint of color. Very subtle, but very effective. So I I personally, now this is all I use. This is all I use. I only use like my stuff because it works. And I don't gotta worry about my lips being dry and chapped anymore. But another thing that I do when I do use my lavender sugar scrub, this here, yeah. When I do use that, I I take it and I, scrub it on my lips. And it works very well with getting off any like dry skin that's on your lips and helping to give you just that smooth finish. So I recommend definitely trying that for dry, chapped lips, or just to prevent you from getting to that point. So, yes, that works great. The lavender sugar scrub and the lip glosses. Okay, so I just wanted to come up here and give you guys, a quick beauty tip that will help definitely during the winter season. We all need that. Nobody likes to have dry, cracked, chapped lips. All right, so anyways, the links are in the description for you to go check it out on our website. And I will be coming back up here with some more skin and hair care beauty tips. You have a blessed day. Stay safe, as always. And I will be talking to you soon. Bye bye now.